Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. We're at 273 South Park, unit 1018. So we've got a 1+ den, 630 square feet. Why don't you guys go up and take a look, and we'll see you at the end of the tour. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tour. And again, I gotta say, the property is gonna look much nicer in person. So I gotta tell you, you gotta get out here and check it out yourself. My contact information is gonna be on the screen. And again, this is where I need your help, okay? So I need you to like this video. I need you to share it with your friends. And most importantly, leave me a comment. I really wanna know what you guys think about this property. And until next time, guys, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.